concept is the peristaltic movement. So this type of movement or this type of rhythmic movement is found in basically three important organs in the human body, but the most important application of this movement is in the food pipe. So when the food pipe or when the food in the food pipe transfers from one point to the other point, there is rhythmic movement, and this rhythmic movement is basically the movement of contraction, and after contraction there is relaxation. So during contraction, the two surfaces of the food pipe come close to each other. That means there is contraction of the food particle, the contraction of the food pipe, and when these two edges of the food pipe go away from each other, that is referred to as relaxation. So coming towards refers to as contraction, and moving away refers to as relaxation. So when there is rhythmic movement of contraction and relaxation to transfer the food from the stomach towards from the mouth to the stomach is referred to as the peristaltic movement. Now this movement is basically in rhythmic. That means if there is contraction at the one end, then there will be relaxation. Again there will be contraction, further will be relaxation. So this rhythmic or tuning movement is referred to as the peristaltic movement. Now again this type of movement is also present in the small intestine. Similarly, in the small intestine there is movement of food, and when there is movement of food, and so that there is movement of food from one part to the other part inside the small intestine, there is also peristaltic movement or the contraction and the relaxation part. Also it is found in the ureters. So basically ureters are tube structures or tube-like structures which actually connect the kidney with the urinary bladder. So when they connect the kidney to the urinary bladder, there is actually movement of the waste liquid to be transferred from the kidney to the bladder for storage. Such type of movement or this type of movement is basically done with the help of peristaltic movement. So we have three important applications of peristaltic movement in the food pipe. With the food pipe connects the mouth with the stomach. So when there is movement of the food from the mouth to the stomach, there is contraction and relaxation. This type of rhythmic movement is referred to as peristaltic movement. Other important application is the small intestine. In the small intestine, we can see that there is movement of the food longitudinally and vertically. Now, when there is movement of the food in this intestine, there is also peristaltic movement involved for this type of movement. Also, this movement is present in the ureters to connect the urinary bladder with the kidneys to remove the extra liquid or the waste liquid present inside the body. So this was the concept on peristaltic movement. We have discussed what is peristaltic movement and the important applications of such type of movement present only in human beings or present only in living organisms.